Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix Windows does not have enough information to verify this certificate error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Basically it's a browser error, and if you try to browse any sites and such type of error message appear, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is run your Google Chrome in incognito mode Windows. Click on three vertical dot from the top right corner and choose incognito mode and check whether your Chrome browser working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, click on three vertical dot from the top right corner and choose settings. Here choose three horizontal line from the top left corner and choose privacy and security. Click on it. Here under privacy and security, click on delete browsing data. And here go to advanced tab and time range should be all time, and make the check against option browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, cached images. Make the check against all these options and finally click on delete data. It will clear your browser caches and check whether your browser error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again click on three vertical dot from the top right corner and again go to settings. Click on settings. Thereafter, click on three horizontal line from the top left corner. Here scroll down and you will find reset settings. Click on it and here restore settings to their original default. Click on it. This action will reset Chrome settings, disable extension and other. Choose reset settings again. It will reset your settings and check whether your error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Close your browser and right click on start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box and here type ncpa.cpl ncpa.cpl and click on OK. It will open all your available network connection in your system. Here right click on your network connections and choose properties, and here under select internet protocol version 4 IPv4 and choose properties. Here use the following DNS server address, make the check against this option and use Google DNS server. Preferred DNS server should be 8888 and alternate DNS servers 8844. This is Google DNS server address. So use this server address and finally click on apply and click on OK to save the changes. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Reset your network settings. Right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to network and internet. Click on it. Thereafter go to right side and here you will find advanced network settings. Click on it and here scroll down and you will find network reset. Reset all network adapters to. Here click on reset now again. Follow on screen instruction to reset your network settings and accordingly your error is